In this video, I'm going to discuss two sampling methods that are most common in qualitative research. The first is called purposive sampling. And here you're hand-picking participants to be in your study. So every sample, in a sense, is purposive. So in the general conversational use of the word purposive, every sample is purposive. You have some idea of who you want in your sample and you go out and recruit those people. In the research methods literature, purposive means something very specific. It means that you've got very specific inclusion-exclusion criteria and you go out and find those very specific people. So it's typically done for qualitative research because they're only going to interview 2 or 3 or 5 people in the entire study, and they want to get 5 people that have very specific experiences so that they can span the range of what they're looking for. That's a purposive sample. If you're looking at a quantitative study that had lots of participants, they may have had inclusion and exclusion criteria, so they knew who they were looking for, but that's not what we're talking about when we say a purposive sample. Another kind of sample that's common in the qualitative research literature is snowball sampling. So here we're using this when we've got a population that's rare or unevenly distributed, hard to reach. So if you're doing a study on people who are homeless, or if you're doing a study on drug users, things that people who are probably not going to respond to an advertisement, you might find a small number of people who are homeless and then ask each of them to recruit some more people that they know into the study. And again, this is typically used for qualitative research where you're only looking for a small number of people.